Hello everybody, Andrew Majewski here with Epicure. So check out this coolest, okay, neck rest for your iPhone. That's what it's actually called. It's a neck rest for your iPhone that I actually got as a gift. And its intended purpose was to, I guess, allow me to use my iPhone if I'm laying on the couch, sitting in bed, and not have to use my hands. But there's an even better purpose for it. So I'm going to show you guys. So, oops, I'm just putting it together right now. Sorry guys, I'm doing this backwards. So, but check it out, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take it off. But as you guys can see, oh, that's my 4 dogs. Like, look at this, okay? So I might have to get up. But it literally sits like that. You can move it however you want. If you wanted to have it like that, you could. But what I have been using it for is to take a video for when I'm doing my cooking with Epicure. I can't even tell you how amazing this has been, because I would usually have my iPad, cell phone, like propped up on a Kleenex box, propped up to, what else have I used? Just pretty much anything. And I would have it kind of angled so that you could see what I was cooking, stirring, baking, whatever, and not necessarily see me, right? Because I probably look like a mess. The point is I just wanted people to be able to see what I was cooking. You know how you see those videos on Facebook, how they're showing you how they're like putting the cups and everything in, mixing up, and their phone is like this, okay? Well, that's what this does. It's brilliant. Of course, I just took it off. Sorry, guys, but do you get the idea? Isn't it the coolest thing ever? So I will leave the link for you guys on the bottom to show you an example of how I have been doing this. I was actually using it already for a video for actually something else. But then I thought, oh my goodness, this would be amazing for my Epicure cooking videos. And even if you didn't want to put it around your neck, you could put it on the table. Like, this obviously isn't a table, it's my arm. But if you put it on the table, you can prop it up however you want. So much easier than finding a Kleenex box, propping it up on your like cabinet somewhere. It's just genius. So Amazon, I was able to find it, $28.99, worth every penny. I will leave the link for you guys for that on the bottom. Check it out, and once I do process all of the videos that I have done, I will upload them for you. I'm kind of still in holiday mode, so I'm kind of doing like videos here and there, but I'm not publishing them yet because I still have to kind of like edit them a little bit, add some music, add some lighting, things like that. But pretty cool, right? Enjoy. This is like the best thing ever. It was kind of like a stocking stuffer, and I could see, I don't know if my sister got one or if I was the only one, but I was like, oh my God, this is the coolest thing ever. Not even thinking about it for Epicure at the time, but just kind of thinking, if I'm lying in bed, this would just be cool to not have to use my hands if I'm watching a video or whatever. But for Epicure is the best thing ever, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave the link for you on the bottom, so take a peek for sure, and let me know if you need anything. Happy holidays, soon to be Happy New Year. I'll see you next year.